In this video, we will discuss the essential baby travel accessories that you should pack in your diaper bag to ensure a stress-free and organized journey with your little one. Traveling with a baby can be challenging, but with the right accessories, you can make it a lot easier. Firstly, always carry an adequate number of diapers and wipes to keep your baby clean and comfortable. A portable changing pad is a must-have for hygienic diaper changes on the go. Pack extra clothes in case of accidents or spills. Don't forget feeding essentials like bottles, formula, and snacks for your baby's nourishment. Lastly, include entertainment and comfort items to keep your baby happy and occupied during travel. First and foremost, always carry an adequate number of diapers and wipes in your diaper bag. These are absolute must-haves to keep your baby clean and comfortable throughout the trip. Diapers are essential for managing your baby's waste and ensuring they stay dry. Choose diapers that are suitable for your baby's age and size. Wipes are handy for cleaning your baby's bottoms, hands, and face. Look for wipes that are gentle on the skin and free from harmful chemicals. Having a good supply of diapers and wipes will give you peace of mind knowing that you can easily handle diaper changes and maintain cleanliness on the go. A portable changing pad is a convenient accessory to have in your diaper bag. It provides a hygienic surface for diaper changes on the go, ensuring that you can handle diaper changes no matter where you are. Changing pads are designed to be waterproof and easy to clean, making them ideal for use in public restrooms, park benches, or any other surface you may encounter during your travels. They provide a comfortable and secure area for your baby during diaper changes, preventing them from coming into contact with germs or dirt. Invest in a good quality changing pad to ensure a hassle-free and sanitary diaper changing experience. Pack a set of extra clothes for your baby in your diaper bag. Accidents and spills can happen anytime and anywhere, so it's always better to be prepared. Having a fresh change of clothes readily available will ensure that your baby stays clean, comfortable, and dry throughout the trip. Opt for clothes that are easy to put on and take off, such as harnesses or rompers. Consider the weather and pack appropriate clothing layers to keep your baby warm or cool. Extra clothes are essential to handle unexpected situations and ensure your baby is always dressed comfortably during your travels. When packing your diaper bag, don't forget to include feeding essentials for your baby. This includes bottles, formula, and/or breast milk if applicable. If your baby is eating solids, pack snacks or baby food as well. Having these items readily available in your diaper bag will make feeding your baby a breeze during travel. Make sure to pack enough bottles and formula or breast milk to last the duration of your trip, and consider bringing a bottle warmer if needed. For solids, choose easy-to-pack and mess-free options. By being prepared with feeding essentials, you can ensure that your baby stays well-fed and content throughout the journey. Lastly, don't forget to include entertainment and comfort items in your diaper bag to keep your baby happy and occupied during travel. These items can include toys, a favorite blanket, pacifiers, or anything else that brings comfort and familiarity to your little one. Toys that are portable, lightweight, and easy to clean are ideal for travel. Consider bringing a small selection of your baby's favorite toys to keep them engaged and entertained. A soft and cozy blanket can provide comfort and a sense of security. Pacifiers can help soothe your baby during the journey. By including these entertainment and comfort items, you can create a pleasant and enjoyable travel experience for your baby.